How's it going, everybody? So today I want to show you how to turn on the crawl system on a Toyota. This is a 2020 Toyota Tacoma. This is the TRD version. So it does come with a variety of off-roading options like a crawl control system and the mountain terrain selector. And as you can see, we have up here, we have the two buttons. One is for the crawl system. The one on the right is for the crawl. The one on the left is for the terrain select. Now I'm going to show you how to turn them on because it's fairly complicated for somebody who just got into this vehicle. If you don't know how to operate it, it can get quite tricky. And so I'm going to take you step by step on how to turn the system on, how to turn it off, and how to control it. Now the basic layout in this Toyota Tacoma, you don't have any buttons on the center console. If you go to a Land Cruiser, this is where most of your controls are and will be right here. Now on this Tacoma, you have the controls on the roof, and also you have your two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive selector right here, and that's about it. That's all you need. So the first thing that you have to do to turn on the crawl control system, you have to shift to neutral. That's the first thing that you have to do. So here we are. I'm in neutral right now. And then you switch to 4 high and wait a couple seconds. You see that sign that says we have 4 high activated right now. And once you see that, once it stops blinking, then you can turn it to the 4 low. And as you can see all kind of lights. It's going to turn off your collision warning. It's going to turn off your traction control. And also it's going to say that it's in 4 low. So now you know that the system is activated. Now you're in 4 low. Next, after switching to 4 low, you have to shift to drive. And once you do that, foot on the brake, you press the crawl button once. Now the crawl system is activated. You can see the crawl control. And you can see the levels. Now it's going to blink. It's going to tell you that the traction control is off. Every other traction system is turned off right now because the car is supposed to be going real slow and supposed to basically dig itself out from whichever hole you're stuck in. Basically, if you're in mud, if you're in rock, if you're in snow, this system will help you get out. So now what's going to happen is once you let your foot off the brake, the system will activate and it's going to start inching forward really slowly. And the way the system works, that it sounds really loud. It sounds like the car is about to fall apart. Don't worry about that. That's completely normal. That's just part of how the system works, because you have all these movement, all these different parts moving together trying to get you out. So it's designed to be that way. Don't worry about it. The car's not braking. Alright, so I had to move to a different location because it was that parking lot was starting to get busy and I didn't really want to use that system over there. This is maybe a better place to be at because it's kind of snowy and slushy outside, so hopefully it'll demonstrate the system a little bit better. As you can see right now, I have everything activated. I have the crawl system activated. I'm in drive, foot on the brake, on the lowest selection. As you can see, you can toggle it up and down. You got 5 levels. We're gonna start with the low and foot off the brake, and off we go. Now, like I said, the system's loud, and as you can see, the car is inching forward slowly. And what I'm gonna do now, see, like, it basically is rocking the car back and forward, and it's trying to get you out. And so I'm going to increase the speed just a little bit. See, it's going a little bit faster now. And I'm not doing anything. The only thing I'm doing right now is controlling the steering. I'm not pressing the brake. I'm not pressing the gas. Basically, the car is doing everything on its own. So you can only focus on steering the car. That's all you need to do. Now if you need to increase the speed a little bit more, give it another push to the right, As you can see, we're in medium now, so we're going real slow, nice and smooth. Give it more speed, and there you go. That's the system working like it's supposed to. And this car is really high, so you can do some off-roading. It's got some really good off-roading capabilities. It's really great. Like, I've driven this in snowstorm that we just had a few days ago here in upstate New York, and I never got stuck anywhere. I didn't even need to use this system, the crawl control system. All I had to do was switch it in 4 high, and I was on my way. So I'm speeding up a little bit. So this is basically the highest speed that the crawl control or the crawl mode can be operated in. We're going full speed right now. I'm gonna turn. Now, as you can see, the car is inching forward slowly. I'm only controlling the steering, nothing crazy. Of course, you can increase the speed if you want. You can, if the car is going too slow for your pace, you can hit the gas. And but of course, as soon as you let go, the car automatically gonna slow down and go back to its original pace and the speed that you have selected right here. This is yeah, so you have many different systems that can get you out. In this Tacoma, it was designed not to get stuck. So yeah, hopefully you like that video. Hopefully this has been informative for you. Please let me know what you think, if I missed anything, or if there's any other tricks in this vehicle that I don't know about. And shoot me a message or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.